In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh a social channel connection in Buffer. If you've noticed scheduled post failing or a channel showing a warning, a quick refresh usually fixes it. Start by opening Buffer. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile icon. That opens the main account menu where you can adjust your preferences. From there, click Settings. This is where Buffer keeps all the controls that affect how your account behaves. Inside Settings, select Channels. The Channels area lists every social media account you've connected, along with their current status. Take a moment to find the specific account that needs attention. If you're not sure which one is causing trouble, look for any alerts or indicators beside a channel's name. Next, on the same row as that channel, you'll see a three dots menu. Click it. Before you choose anything, pause for a second and review the available options. This is helpful to confirm you're about to take the right action. You may see choices like disconnecting a channel, but for our purpose today, you're looking for refresh connection. Avoid disconnecting unless you truly intend to remove and re-add the channel later, because that's a more involved process. Click Refresh Connection. Buffer will now attempt to re-establish a secure link with the social network. You might see a brief spinner or a message indicating that the reconnection is in progress. This is normal. Give it a moment to complete. Don't navigate away or close the tab while it's working. If Buffer needs additional permission, it may prompt you to re-log in to the social platform. Go ahead and authorize the connection when prompted. Follow the on-screen steps, sign in if asked, and accept any permission requests so Buffer can publish and manage content on your behalf. Keeping the authorization window open until it confirms success will prevent the process from stalling. Once authorization is complete, you'll be returned to Buffer and should see that the channel is connected again with any warning cleared. That's it. Your channel's access token has been refreshed, and your queue should resume posting as expected. If you manage several channels across different platforms, you can repeat the same process for any that show connection issues. And if you don't see an immediate change, give it a minute and refresh the page so the status can update. With that, you've successfully refreshed a social channel connection in Buffer, keeping your content pipeline running smoothly.